Whether you love it or hate it, garlic is a superfood. And you should eat garlic often. Well, for one thing, it contains manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and copper, among other beneficial nutrients. In fact, the sulfur-containing compounds in garlic provide many natural benefits for just about every part of your body. Prevent cancer. Garlic contains bioactive sulfur compounds that are believed to help reduce cancer risk. According to the NIH National Cancer Institute, several population studies show an association between increased intake of garlic and reduced risk of certain cancers. In particular, garlic benefits cancers of the stomach, colon, esophagus, pancreas, and breast. For example, garlic helps protect against stomach cancer thanks to its antibacterial properties, as shown by studies on Helicobacter pylori. Colds and infections. Studies have shown that garlic is highly effective at killing harmful microorganisms that are responsible for both common and rare illnesses and infections. In one study, participants took either garlic supplements or a placebo for 12 weeks during the cold season. The study found that participants who took garlic were less likely to get a cold. High blood pressure. Next, garlic is a great natural remedy for people who suffer from high blood pressure. In one study, researchers evaluated 50 people with uncontrollable blood pressure. The study found that by taking 4 capsules of aged garlic extract each day for 3 months, participants saw a drop in blood pressure by an average of 10 points. Heart disease. For the cardiovascular system, garlic can be used to help prevent and treat many cardiovascular and metabolic diseases, including atherosclerosis and hypertension. Garlic has even been shown to reverse early heart disease by reversing plaque buildup in the arteries.